Vaishali has raised your hand. I had some network issues, so it just. Vaishali. नीलम, आपको कुछ बताना है बेटा? Do you want to share something here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will share my screen. Go on. I had some missing. So I'm sorry, I got interrupted when I said we need to make our goals. We need to keep reminding. When I said write, read and remind, यही मैंने बोला था आपको सुबह उठ के 2 मिनट बोला था. I remember. Do you remember? फाइनल आउटकम के लिए हमें रोज का परफॉर्मेंस सेट करना है, राइट? Unless you practice,
Yes, ma'am.
we cannot achieve the final goal. Now, see, I said सेल्फ एस्टीम जो है ना, इस पे क्यों मैंने फोकस दिया? वापस आई केम बैक टू सेल्फ एस्टीम बिकॉज सेल्फ एस्टीम जो है हमारे बारे में, हमारे विचार जो है वो स्ट्रांग रहना चाहिए. इफ आई माई सेल्फ स्टार्ट, वी से लव योर सेल्फ. हैव यू ऑलवेज हर्ड दैट? हमेशा बोलते हैं लव योर सेल्फ. क्या आप सुने हो लव योर सेल्फ? Only when you love yourself, appreciate yourself, you will love the others. क्योंकि जब हमें अपने बारे में कुछ ये नहीं हो रहा है, something no positivity about ourselves, we will never be able to appreciate anything. Like we say, self-esteem is like driving through life with your handbrake on. This was said by Maxwell Maltz. Maxwell Maltz was a psychologist, cognitive behavioral psychologist. इन्होंने ये कहा है कि अगर आपको हैंड ब्रेक लगा के गाड़ी चलाना Are we there? Okay. Network issue.
Yes.
My Wi-Fi connection has crashed, so we are using some temporary connection here. See, when I say low self-esteem, अपने बारे में जब कम सोचते हैं, हम कुछ नहीं अचीव कर पाते हैं. When I love myself, I think very highly of myself, right? So when I say think high about yourself, love yourself, that is the only way where you can build your confidence. So when I say self-esteem to self-confidence, remember yesterday we were talking about present state, desired state, etc. Did it make sense to you? Yes, Vaishali, do you want to say something? Unmute yourself and talk. I have unmuted you. Can somebody throw light on what I spoke about present state, desired state? Beta Vaishali, if I unmute you, there is a lot of background noise. हाँ बोलो. Can we recall what we spoke about present state, desired state? Raise your hands and I'll unmute you. Jai Shri. हाँ जयश्री, unmute yourself and talk. I have unmuted you. Adira, are you saying something?
Ma'am, present state is the state we are now at presently, and the desired state is what we want to achieve, or the position we want in our future.
Very good. Yeah. Jayashree, do you want to share something? I'm unmuting you. Kindly unmute and share. Yeah.
Yesterday also, ma'am, you have given example of a child that his home is a present state and school is desired state.
Correct. तो कंफर्ट
And
जोन से
after
बाहर
that
बाहर
school,
जाना रहता है. हाँ.
हाँ, after that school उसका comfort zone हो जाता है और फिर college उसका desirable state हो जाता है.
बराबर. हाँ.
और
अच्छा
उसके
नाउ
जो बीच का गैप होता है प्रेजेंट स्टेट और डिजायर्ड स्टेट का, उसके लिए हम लोगों को सब रिसोर्सेज नॉलेज एक्वायर करना पड़ता है.
बराबर. करेक्ट. So when will I be moving out of my comfort zone? When I move out of my comfort zone to outside comfort zone, that period is called as season of transition. And this gap जो है ना उसके बीच में, उसको बोलते हैं season of transition gap. ठीक है. तो ना अभी मैं एक एग्जांपल दे रही हूँ, जिसको जॉब छोड़ के एक बिजनेस चालू करना है, राइट. जॉब उसका कंफर्ट जोन था एंड ही वांट्स टू स्टार्ट अ बिजनेस एंड रन द बिजनेस. ठीक है. वो आउटसाइड कंफर्ट जोन जा रहा है. तो अभी क्या क्या होंगे उसमें? कैन यू थिंक ऑफ इट? हाथ ऊपर करो तो भी
मैम
अनम्यूट. यस प्लीज. बोलो.
मैम उसका जॉब कंफर्ट जोन होगा और जो बिजनेस होगा वो उसका डिजायरेबल स्टेट होगा.
ठीक है. कैन आई आस्क यू टू डू समथिंग? आप अपने आप को उसमें विजुअलाइज करो. आपको अपना जॉब छोड़ के बिजनेस चालू कर रहे हो, तो क्या करोगे?
हाँ मैम. पहले मैं मार्केट नॉलेज देखना पड़ेगा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए.
यस यस.
कैपिटल जमा करना पड़ेगा
राइट.
और फिर
परफेक्ट. देन
बहुत सारे रिसोर्सेज को इकट्ठा करना पड़ेगा बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए.
accumulate all the resources. Yes.
बहुत सारे लोगों की हेल्प लेनी पड़ेगी.
Okay. Help in what sense?
मैम हर किसी के पास अलग अलग नॉलेज होती है, अगर वो एक साथ आ जाए तो ही प्रॉफिट हो सकता है. तो सबकी हेल्प लेनी पड़ेगी. सबको अलग अलग टाइप की नॉलेज होती है. किसी को मार्केट की नॉलेज होती है, किसी को शेयर्स वगैरह की नॉलेज होती है. तो उस तरीके से.
और अगर मैम हम लोग जैसे अपने पास कैपिटल ज्यादा नहीं है तो हम लोग पार्टनर भी बना सकते हैं दूसरे को, उसका नॉलेज शेयर करके अपने बिजनेस में.
See, when I say I'm moving from my present state to desired state, I am taking a risk. Are you with me?
यस मैम.
Right? So when I take a risk, क्या क्या हो सकता है? Risk में I might have to face uncertainties, और हर time the moment I step out of my comfort zone, to the outside comfort zone with the amount of required knowledge, do you think I will 110% be successful? I will have to go through a lot of these things. Let me tell you, list out those things. I may get into a crisis, correct? Mental crisis, monetary crisis, physical crisis, right? स्ट्रेस आ जाता है, जब रिस्क लेते हैं स्ट्रेस आ जाता है. And obviously there is always a fear inbuilt in me. Resources सब मैंने accumulate किए, मेरे तरफ से सब कुछ किया है, but there is always a fear. I could go through panic, I could go through uncertainty, problems. I have a self doubt. बराबर किया क्या मैंने? Instead of taking up a new course, I could have definitely ended up taking up a job, right? I don't know if I will even pass the course, or if I took up a job, I should have gathered more resources. ये डर रहता ही है, doubt रहता है, and as I grow, there are a lot of painful circumstances that I go through. Do you agree with me on all these things? जब हम यहाँ से यहाँ move होते हैं, we have to go through all these things. अभी ये जो चीजें हम go through कर रहे हैं, इसमें we are able to face them, get over them. We have almost reached the desired state. समझ गए आप? Confidence
Yes,
gets
ma'am.
built only when you are overcoming these negative feelings. ये सबको आता है, and it is inbuilt, right? सब में है, because when I'm taking a risk, obviously it is going to be, I'm going to face all these things. I have to be prepared for them. Adequate preparation will help me build my self-confidence. Are you following? Do you agree with me on this?
Yes, ma'am.
So all those, is my voice breaking?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you feel my voice is breaking? If you can type it out on the chat box. Because my connectivity has got established. I've arranged for an alternate solution. So present zone से जब हम desired state को जाते हैं, adequate resources चाहिए. I cannot just step into the business, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, right? जब जो होगा देखा जाएगा, only with resources I'll have to manage. बीच में कुछ crash हुआ without adequate resources, confidence breaks. एक बार confidence break हो गया, difficult to build it. So we need to keep our spirits up. That is why I say, as a precaution, keep building up your self-esteem. I gave you certain auto suggestion techniques. Follow them. And then whenever you are switching from this state to this state, do you see my mouse also moving? Can someone answer me? Is my mouse movement, are you able to see my mouse
Yes,
movement?
ma'am.
Very good, thanks. So
Yes.
when I say, when you're moving from this zone to this zone, be prepared to face and don't give up in between. जो in between give up करता है ना, वो इसमें चला जाता है, right? Then comes heartbreak, depression, जो भी है, all those negative things we are not talking about now. We are going to talk only positive. I am going to face all those things, and I have acquired the amount of confidence, the kind of self-esteem that I need to build on everything. And this is the age at 20. All of you are maximum 20. One or two exceptions are there, but it is never too late, right? Start building your self-esteem. Start looking upon yourself. अपने को ऊपर देखो. Don't look down on yourself, right? Let me avoid this don't and negative statements here. अपने आप से प्यार करो, अपने आप को अच्छे बनाओ, right? So automatically your self confidence and self esteem goes up. जब ये ऊपर गया, start working towards your desired state. Do you understand? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No.
So with that as a concluding remark, I would like to wind up today's session, and I also want you to practice what we had here. right? Because I thought
Okay.
in the negative scenario, there has to be something positive, some positive input from our side, right? So I thought of these sessions. I hope they are of use to you. When you're focused, nothing can stop you, nothing can break you. Keep that in mind, and let me see more successful people, and let me see all of you in your desired state, successfully coming out of whatever hurdles, I mean, going through all the hurdles, coming out of them. It will still build you as a human. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you have anything to share here? Last 3 minutes. Is there anything that needs to be elaborated on?
No, ma'am.
So can we wind up for the day? Thank you, students. Thank you from my side also, and I also apologize for the network issues, which I didn't expect would crash soon. Thank you, students. Thank you for your patient listening. I want you to put this to work. Start working on these. It will help us a lot as we go on. Did you feel it was fruitful all 3 days, those who attended? Great. It should be helping you in future, and I'm waiting for the meeting to end so that in case you have something, you can come up. Once it ends, I will also close it down. और मैंने purposefully लिया था, goal setting helps you in building your confidence. That is why I took it in 2 parts, 3-day session. All those who have something else to do, you can log out. I'm here waiting if there is any query, and once the meeting ends, I will also close it. You can carry on with your work.